Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video from me for you. Today, let me introduce you the pet camera, Lefun 1080p wireless security cam with sound detect, motion tracking, two-way audio, updated cloud IP surveillance camera. It supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, remote view for home, baby, dog monitor. The smart motion/sound detection device alerts will be sent to your smartphone and videos will be recorded when the pet camera detects your dog is barking, pushing you into live feed to interact with your dog and calm it down through two-way audio feature. Friendly cloud and local storage. MIPC Cloud saves all alert videos where you can watch, download and share freely. And that wireless cam supports micro SD card storage for record videos and images up to 128 gigabyte. 24/7 with 360 degrees HD 1080p view. The Lefun IP cam monitor your home in full HD 1080p with pan of 350 degrees. Tilt 100 degrees and 8-time digital zoom, covering every corner of your home. This cam super IR LED night vision on that surveillance cam lets you see clear what's happening in night time. At the night, it is awesome to see. Financial Level Encryption Standard. The Lefun security cam adopt financial level encryption and your info cannot be read by any third party. All your alert videos will be encrypted before being uploaded to the cloud, protecting your private information. And you have an easy setup with Wi-Fi connection. Scan the QR code to download the MIPC app for your smartphone. Set up that Wi-Fi cam with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. It does not support 5G standard. That Wi-Fi cam supports multi-users access, the MIPC, or that baby cam at the same time. And it is really easy to use. You have so much option. Lefun cloud cams keep an eye for your love and home all the time. Let you talk and listen anywhere. The built-in mic Lefun Wi-Fi cam collects the voice from the cam side around. Adopted advanced audio coding technology and noise cancelling technology. The wireless cam can intelligent filter an environment noise to realize barrier-free communication. No matter when and where, there is no distance between fam, pets, and interaction. You have real-time alerts to avoid property loss. Is there anyone at your back at the door? Is my home secure while I'm away from home? This cam would solve this problem for you. With that motion detection feature, real-time message alert will send to your phone. Once you active the motion detection function, the security camera would snapshot and record video automatically. And you have a remote viewing when you're out. Are you still worried about the following things? Are you my kids say we babysitters? What is my pet loading while I'm away? No, with the Lefun Wi-Fi cam, you can know everything anytime and anywhere of it. Just log in your account on MIPC, then check that what is going on. It real time at home. This cam offers almost free alert video recording for 7 days, even if your home camera is stolen or damaged. Your alert still will be secure and accessible on the cloud. Besides, the Lefun surveillance camera supports microSD card recording video and images to play back up to 128 GB. Save all videos and images that you want. You have a multi-user access simultaneously function. The cam supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz. You can share your account or your camera to your wife, parents and friends. After sharing, they will be able to access the same cam simultaneously. Let them know what they loved one doing in one time. And you have a multi-function security cam with this Lefun IP cam. It supports baby pads, elders, home security monitoring in one device. It is compatible with smartphones, pads, personal computers, and laptops. Just download the right version of the MIPC for your smart device. Enjoy your awesome time at a vacation, for example, and know what's going on at home. You have cloud service, you have sound detection on it, you have a real-time barking alert. For example, with sound detection feature, receive real-time shots when your dog is barking, for example. Friendly cloud service, SD card storage, and financial encrypted cloud storage. You can choose. Save all the data that you convenience. And of course, this cam is small. You can have a wall attachment. You can have a assembly where you like and how you like, because it can stand on a desk, it can stand on a table, you can mount it on the wall, where you like to do this. 24/7 full monitoring, all daytime monitoring. Even through you're out of work, you can view your pets via the app. Raw, this is awesome, really. And not only your pet, you can look to your babies and other persons too. Capture naughty moments of your pet. That means you can have a video if your pet makes some fun things and then upload it to YouTube, for example. Equipped with a motion detection feature that captures naughty moments of your pets. Oh yeah, that's right. You are full function security cam here. Monitor your home with broad angle, 350 degrees, horizontal and 100 degrees vertical rotation. Range remote control it to rotate to hidden trouble. And you have 8x digital zoom. And all what you need is your hand for it, and this app and the smartphone too. Then you can use your hand to score. The night version will go on automatically. Clear watching at the darkness supports 32 feet IR night vision at dark nights and dark houses. Have a clear view all night and all day long with full HD 1080p wireless security cam. The only thing you have to do, make an account with this app, dock in your app, and then have fun with it. Awesome thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Cool.